Are you dreaming of a yacht getaway in the Bahamas, but not sure where to start? This step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process of renting a yacht. We'll use an example of a popular booking site to show you everything from finding the right boat to the final booking steps, ensuring a smooth and easy experience. First, visit the site and select your destination, in this case, the Bahamas. You'll find a variety of yachts, from small sailing boats to large luxury vessels. Use the filtering options to specify your preferences, including the number of cabins, length, and type of yacht. Many rental sites offer flexible options, allowing you to choose based on group size, travel dates, and budget. Once you set your filters, browse through the listings. Each yacht page provides detailed information, including photos, layout, amenities, and any special features. Take the time to read descriptions carefully and compare options to find the right fit. You can also find customer reviews to get a better idea of the experience other renters have had with each yacht. When you've found a yacht that matches your needs, select it to check availability. The availability calendar is straightforward, showing open dates and peak pricing periods. If the yacht is available, you can proceed to booking by entering your details. Some yachts may require additional crew, which can be added as an option, so make sure to review these choices if you want a captain or full crew included. Before confirming your booking, you'll see a summary of the total cost. Pay attention to any additional fees, such as cleaning, insurance, or fuel charges. Many rental platforms display a breakdown, so you'll know exactly what you're paying for. The platform also typically includes secure payment options, and some offer installment payment plans if you're booking far in advance. Now that you're all set, click Book and complete your payment. You'll receive a confirmation email with all the details, including the yacht's location and contact information for any questions leading up to your rental. Book a yacht for your dream vacation in the Bahamas today. Follow my link in the description to get started. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and get ready for more travel tips and destination insights.